Look at the sole.
This is like a space shoe. It's fresh.
It's fresh.
I could see you wearing this.
Okay, rolling. So these are Cole Haan.
Okey-doke. This is nice. Nice color. Nice slick box. This is like a space shoe. It's like you've never seen it before.
So what do you think? First look at it, what do you think? I mean, what are your thoughts?
It definitely draws the eye in because it's unique.
Mm-hmm.
What'd you call this, a wingtip?
Yep, that's a wingtip, yeah.
Would it be, it's not Oxford style?
I don't know. The wing, it's a wing. Oxford might be another name for wingtip, but when I was a kid, so a classic dress shoe was a wingtip. Wingtip. I've heard them referred to as brogue, but this was a classic silhouette. Now, this is a futuristic look, obviously, of that wingtip design. And what I will tell you, this Cole Haan ZERØGRAND, they're the super comfortable shoes. The way my rationale is a pair of jeans, you know, semi casual, formal, like it kind of straddles the line. I think a lot of people today are wearing sneakers with dress pants or suits. And I think it's done on purpose. So this sole really screams at you. I'm doing this purposefully, and it's still got that wingtip design that ushers back, or that harkens back to that classic, you know, silhouette. What do you think about the beefy sole?
Yeah, I'm into a beefy sole. I like support. I probably wouldn't pick an orange sole, but it's definitely got, I can see the person that would wear it. I could see you wearing this.
Yeah, clown, yeah.
Yeah, it's fresh.
It's fresh, yeah.
And I am a fan of the wingtip.
Yeah, so this was, again, an Instagram hammering me every day. And I got a really good sale on this. Now, probably because a lot of people like the looks of it, but don't like it enough to put it in their shopping cart.
I could see that, yeah. This is either a shoe that you're like, yes, this is me, or you're just like, I don't see myself wearing that very often.
You love it or you hate it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a lot of people tend to hate it. Look at the sole. Anything else? Any other comments on the ZERØGRAND? They come in all different varieties, all different materials. They have suede, they have leather, they have canvas models. They have more trimmed down soles. And another thing, which is very interesting, again, I'm an average guy, 5'9", 5'8", and 3/4, right? This adds 2 or 3 inches to my height, so now I'm rocking 6 feet going into that meeting or that cocktail party. Cool.
This looks like suede. So it's like,
yeah,
got
very
a
nice.
few different things
Cole
going on.
Haan. And they've really, you know, Cole Haan's really gone, they kind of started this movement with the comfortable dress sneaker.
Right, yeah, right.
Yeah. All right, thanks again, Peggy, for your take on these interesting shoes. She called them space shoes. I'll tell you what, Cole Haan is at the forefront of this trend. This sport sort of dress shoe. And what I love about this shoe here is it's unapologetic for broaching that crevasse, if you will, traversing that norm that a dress shoe has to be super formal. My woman is in, and she loves, what do you think of these shoes? It's just the shoes. Let me see your shoes. It's interesting because the first pair of Cole Haan shoes similar to this, I actually got from my beautiful woman. who loves these shoes. She doesn't really love them. The orange is interesting. It's a statement. It says, I'm here and I am unapologetic. I'm unapologetically different. All right? You got the nice orange beefy sole, but the classic upper, the wingtip, perfect. Perfect blend of in-your-face casual, rock them with a pair of jeans, go to work, stand out from the crowd, but be comfortable all day. And today, people are going out of their way to wear athletic shoes with suits. So this just goes with that style. But again, highly micro-targeted. And I love them. So there. And I got a great deal on them. And you could probably get a good deal on them too. Cole Haan has always got a promotion running. And there are hundreds of these shoes in all different types of material, whether it's suede or nubuck or canvas. There's a wingtip in your future at Cole Haan. So again, guys, look for a full review. I'm going to get these shoes out in the wild. I'm going to put them through a series of tests and live with them for a while. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion after a month, maybe 2 months, etc., etc. And guys, look for more men's footwear coming soon. There are 4 more. I dropped all on the same day. 4 other men's footwear styles that have been the target of my affection on social, and I just had to buy them. Let me know if you've been seeing ads for any of these 5. Check them all out. Leave a comment. Please consider subscribing. I'll see you next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.